Hey y'all, it's Zoe and welcome back to another video on my channel. I apologize for this video being so late. I have just had the worst headache over the last few days and I still have a little one right now, but it's slowly getting better. If you've been watching me for a while, at least for this year, you've probably noticed that a lot of my filming locations look a lot different. So I actually ended up moving and I filmed the whole process for you. So I wanted to just show you all the process of me moving. Hey y'all, it's Zoe and welcome back to the video on my channel. So today I'm actually going to show you my current apartment because I am moving and I am so excited to move. I'm finally getting single. I love my roommate, we get along, but I just kind of felt like I needed my own space with the cat. I don't have anyone here with me today, so I'm going to just be doing it on my own, the tour on my own. I've been meaning to do this for like the longest time and never got around to it, so I wanted to show you what my current place looks like now, and then I'm going to show you what my new place looks like both before and after. I will say I am going for break soon, so that is why the trash has not been taken out yet. I also have some dishes in the sink that I have not been able to do yet, and I am packing to move. And again, not everything here is mine, and also some of this was here. A lot of the furniture was already here. So anyways, let's get to the tour. So this is our front door. I put wreaths on our front door. I'm not going to open it, but we do have a screen. And then down here we have our little welcome mat. We actually did have to replace it. And then when you get here, this is kind of what it looks like. So you go down here and there's our living room, and then you look up here, there's our upstairs. So let's start with the living room. So this right here is our little mail corner. It used to be on the chair, and then I put these bins as like a table. These are my snowshoes and the snow salt, and then I put this bowl in for the little keys. And then right here, I just keep my stuff here for easy access. These bins are going to be moving out with me. This is our first window, and this is Hazel's little window bench. She loves this thing. This is stuff I'm moving in, so don't worry about it. Then here we have her little scratching post, the lamp, and this Christmas tree was here when I moved in. Not really sure what's going to happen to it. This is my bean bag, and then we have the rest of our living room, and there's Hazel. So the couch. The red chair was here when I got here, but it doesn't belong to the school. And again, that's her little bed. Again, those bins that made the sheet with the table is mine. And then over here we have our shoes, and then the TV setup. I put a bunch of games in here. I'm cleaning it up right now, so there's sometimes more stuff here. And then these are some of her toys, her water fountains down there, and then guitar. Then we have a little mini trash can. This closet, it's like a mixture of storage and food, so a lot of suitcases and bins and stuff. This is my kind of outerwear thing, and also like my drying rack for when I have to hang clothes after I wash them. So most of these clothes will be put away like in the summertime. And then down here is my like hats, scarves and stuff, and then just like some extra storage, and those are my rain boots. Then this is like Hazel's area. I'm probably going to put this tent away when I move into my new place, but this is kind of her little play area, and then like her litter box. And then we have our kitchen table with some flowers, and then we go in here. This is kind of Hazel's corner as well. My trash and recycling. This is where all of our cooking happens. I'm sure you're used to seeing me like in this area and in this area in a lot of videos. And then I keep some stuff up on the fridge. And then, yeah, I still have dishes to do. And there's Hazel. She's been like laying on this mat a lot recently. Anyways. So that is the whole downstairs. You've probably seen me walk through in many a vlog, but now let's go upstairs. So first we have my little shoe thingy. These are mostly my summer shoes. This is our bathroom, very typical bathroom. That's my roommate's bedroom. This is another little storage closet. And this is my room, which a lot of you have kind of seen already. A lot of my stuff is taken down because I'm moving. I used to have stuff on this door, but yeah, so that is the apartment. It's very small. It's also the cheapest option for grad housing here. You can get bigger spaces, you can get unfurnished spaces, you can get more than just 2 people spaces. So there's kind of a wide variety of spaces that you are able to like apply for. And then yeah, you just like you can renew your contract each year that you're enrolled, or you can like start change rooms, things like that. So that is my current place, and then I will show you a little video of like where I'm moving to, what it looks like after I'm all moved in. A lot of this stuff is mine, so you will probably see it all again, but I'm looking forward to it. I'm really excited. So yeah, that is it. I'm sorry it's like messy and chaotic, but I promise you I'm not a messy person. So I guess I'm moving after spring break, so I won't see you again for like over a week. But yeah, let's get to the new place. Good morning, everyone. It is moving day, which is super exciting. I wasn't able to get the key last night. I feel like maybe I would have if I had lied and said that I was supposed to move in last night, but honestly I think it worked out for the best because I was able to just have a chill night after coming home from the airport. So I'm on my way to go pick up the key right now. Alright, I got the key. It took a little bit longer than expected. Apparently the person was not moved out in the system, but was moved out. Like there wasn't anyone living there, so they had to go send someone over to make sure. But I did get it. It says I have to return it at the end of May, but I'm renewing the contract for that place, and the deadline is, I think, what's today, the 9th? No, today's the 10th. The deadline for renewing the contract is tomorrow, so hopefully, so that means I should be able to keep this until I like fully move out. So anyways, let's go and look at things and set things up. I do have class at like 2 p.m. so that's why I was hoping to kind of get most of this done now and then do the rest after class, which I know I could miss class, but she's already giving us a lot of days off to do like recordings and stuff, and so like to work on assignments, so I really don't want to miss unless I absolutely have to. So anyways, let's go get this done. Okay, we're in the new apartment. So here's the door. It has a little hook, so that's kind of nice. So here's the kitchen. I like that I have those shelves because I think I can put a lot of like kitchen boxes up there. Got a really nice fridge. Oh my gosh, like this fridge and freezer is actually really nice. It even has like drawers. My other one did not have drawers like this. And these cabinets, also really nice. Also think I can, they're like, oh my gosh, they're like so spacious. And then these are nice too, so definitely lots of space. The kitchen is really, then we have the table and chairs. Here's like the couch and coffee table. And then here is the bedroom. So we got the desk, the dresser, and the bed. Whoa! Oh my gosh, my closet is so big! Wow! And there's a lot of space in here too, so I can put more storage things in here. Yay, I'm so excited! Okay, so here's what it looks like. I might rearrange some things, but I'm excited to move it. Oh, and here is the bathroom. The bathroom is through my bedroom, and it looks like they gave me a shower curtain, which is really nice. I might offer it to my roommate because she said I could take our current one. Also, there are no lights in here. Everything you see is natural lighting because it's all, you have to like plug something in and then the switch turns on the plug. So, all right, I'm gonna move in and I'll see you later. I just got out of class. It's really nice outside. I switched to shorts. I was wearing sweatpants. One, because I was running around everywhere moving, and two, because it is nice outside. I'm basically all moved in the living room and kitchen. I think, I don't know, there's still a couple things, like I have to grab the pots, but like that's pretty much it. So all that's left is my bedroom, which includes all my clothes and my shoes, and the bathroom, and then some other little stuff. So I'm excited to get stuff done and sleep in my new place. It's gonna be great, so I'm excited. Hey y'all, it's the end of the day. Well, sort of. It's like, it's 8:30, it got dark. I'm taking out the last load of my car for tonight. I wasn't able to get everything, but But I got majority of the stuff, so I'm gonna leave early tomorrow and finish getting everything. But I got all my toiletries for tonight so that I can, you know, shower and get dressed in the mornings. I really did think I was gonna be able to move it all in, but I'm a single person and it's taken a lot longer because a lot of back and forth trips. I can only carry so much. My car can only carry so much. I didn't want to move too much in the dark. I mean, there's a lot of light from the parking lot, but still, I'm kind of tired. Still need to get in my bed. So this is probably where I'm gonna stop for the night. So I'll pick y'all up tomorrow. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. The first night was actually pretty fine. I mean, it's the same like bed basically, so it didn't really feel that different, but it was nice waking up in my own little place. And so now I am about to go to Walmart to go get a microwave, some other home goods things. I might even go to Home Goods. I know what you're thinking. I could be doing this after everything's been moved in, right? But like, it's part of the move-in process for me. While I'm out now, I'd rather just get it and then I'll finish moving in all my stuff after. So that is the plan for today. I think I'll finally be fully moved in by tonight. So looking forward to it. All right, I am about to head over to get my last and final load. It's been a long 2 days, but we did it. We did it by ourselves. Independent woman moment. And I'm so excited to finally be moved in. I do have to unpack everything. I've kind of just been dropping it. So my room and living room are a complete and total mess. But I am so excited to show you everything once I put it away. I think it's gonna look a lot different than when it was empty. I will come on probably later tonight or maybe after everything's all settled in. So until then. Everyone, it's the end of the night and I am fully moved in. I have put away all my clothes, set up everything and put away everything. Everything has its place. All I have left to do is take out the recycling. It was a long 2 days, but we did it. I literally did no schoolwork at all, and so now I have to really work on a paper that is due on Friday and some other papers that I need to complete. But I am so happy to be finally moved in. Obviously there's still a few things that I need to get still, but all the big stuff is moved in. And yeah, I'm super excited and I'm glad I was able to show you all kind of this process, and obviously I will give you a tour at the end. I don't recommend moving by yourself. Highly recommend having someone else, and also recommend having a larger car. My car was kind of small, so it took more trips, but obviously I did what I had to do, what needed to be done. So yeah, I will give you all a room tour probably tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So I'll see you then. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed those clips. I've been in this apartment for a little over a month now, and I'm really enjoying just being able to live on my own with my cat. I think she really likes it too. So I'll just do like, oh, she does that sometimes. I'll just do like a little mini tour. I apologize for any mess. Anyways, so here's the front door. I have my coats and things. I am planning to switch out my closet soon. And then we have this little thing on the wall, and then over here is our shoes, and then we turn this way. We have my kitchen, the living area, my photo wall, and then we have coffee table. This is my little welcome corner. I'm able to put my keys and stuff, and then Hazel's corner is over here, and then that's her little window bench. And then we come this way into my bedroom. These are all the posters that used to be on my wall. And then we have, this is the bathroom, and right here is the closet. I keep my clothes and some other storage in there. And then we have my dresser. Everything here is the same. My bed, everything there is the same. My desk and my little rack, which a lot of this is also going to go into winter clothing storage. So that is pretty much the apartment. It's smaller, it's about half the size, but it's also half the people, and I've just really been enjoying the smaller space, and just also being able to kind of be on my own and work on my own time and schedule. Obviously living with a roommate definitely has some pros to it, but I have really been enjoying the time alone in my own apartment. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Again, I appreciate your patience. Hopefully I'll be back with another video on Friday, and hopefully back to my normal schedule. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.